Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about how to use Starlink for free on your iPhone. So I'll be providing a link in the description that will take you to this particular page of this Starlink, so you don't have to worry. And right now, once afterwards, you can scroll down over here and you can see we have the options right now. The Starlink is officially kept. The Starlink for the users, those who sign up can use it for free. So we have registered for the beta now, where you can get access to the beta. And also you can also change your beta or your iPhone into a satellite phone as well. So you can completely get in from details from here as well. And right now you can see we have many details of the Starlinks and how well it is. Once you go over to this page, you have to scroll down, so that will take you to this. And now from here, you have to give your first name, have to give your last name, and also you have to give your respective email ID. So I'm not going to give anything because right now, you just need to give your email ID and all those things, and you have to give your mobile number based on a country. If you're from USA, you can give the number based upon your countries and all those things. So right now it is actually graded for me, but if you give all the credentials perfectly over here, there will be an option to hit on the sign up, and where you can sign up. So once after the sign up is done, initially you're not going to get the, you cannot use it instantly, because, the Starlink officials will be completely checking out this on your request in order to access the data. And what they're going to do is, once after they approve it, you can just go over here in the Starlink and you can start using it for free on your iPhone. So it's actually free, so you just need to wait this for it's completely accepted by them. So just sign up for over here, and you have to sign up for the Starlink, giving all the details, and most probably they're gonna help you guys out. So that's it. This is how you can use it for free, and I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.